Hello to you, all jewelry maker guys. Hope you're doing very well. Today we are going to make a very unique wire ring. Also, I have a surprise for you. And if you like to know how to make this very beautiful wire ring that is a trend these days, but there is a little difference here, and you could see double materials, and it's a combination of wire, metal wire, and the part that is combined with yarn. And this is so, I think, sport and beautiful. If you would like to learn it, please comment it below so I would have the tutorial in further videos. But today we are going to make a wire ring, and we need to make a square wire frame, and I had cut it a piece of paper to show you better how it's going to wrap all around your finger. You could use also a piece of paper, and it's going to be something like this, and you could check the size out with that piece of paper. Mine is about 1 centimeter to 7.5, and I'm going to make a wire frame with 1 millimeter wire, and also I need my thinner wire of about zero point 0.4 or zero point 0.5 for the weaving and decorative parts, and also our main tools, round nose pliers, chain nose pliers, and wire cutter is needed. Pick up your 1 millimeter wire and put it on this rectangle that you had cut it out, and start to form this wire in the way that you start in the middle of one of these large sides, and you just put it, and little by little make 90-degree bends at each corner. So this is the first corner. I'm going to shape it and bend it with my chain nose pliers, and I would repeat that in each corner to have a rectangle. When you have completed forming this rectangle, cut the wire at the point that you had started forming, and this is your overall frame, and you could fix it and do some additions on the points that is needed. Now this is the time to add weaving parts and use our thinner wire of about 0.4 or 0.5, and I have cut it about 70 centimeters, and I'm going to bend it at the middle in the way that the starting and ending point meet each other, and I would pull it so that I would bend the wire and squeeze it gently, and then pull it if needed. Do some fixations and to refine it so that these two wires completely be side to side and parallel. Alright, now we are going to wrap double row wire all around the frame, and we are going to start wrapping wire from this starting point and to attach these two parts together. So we start wrapping this wire all around and to attach these two parts together. After attaching these two parts together, we are going to wrap these doubled wire with our fingers. Just form these two wires all around this shape, and we are going to make some circles that are going to be put side to side. And after making some circles, just wrap it all around the frame to be kept tight. So this would be our first tie, and to fasten this part, and we make a little wire wrapping here at this frame. And now we are going to continue weaving these wires and make circles in all directions, and it's just like wires are dancing through this frame. And even we are going to put the wire and throw these two wires into the previous shapes to have a better joint and to be attached together by wrapping and weaving these parts together. This is when I had inserted this wire through one of these weaving parts, and also I would shape and form in every movement. After we have completed weaving wire in this frame, now we have a piece like this, and we are going to wrap it all around the mandrel or any other cylindrical shape that I'm using my nail polish to wrap this part all around. So little by little I would wrap it. And you should pay attention at this part that we had joined the two parts together, and here we start by the other side, so we would have a less tension here, and we continue wrapping it till we would have a structure like this. And we could do some fixations and to make it more curved with our round nose pliers, now this would be it, our very beautiful wire ring, that we could wear it in this way or at the other part. The decorative part of mine is more here, so I would use it in this way. And as you could see, there are a random moving of wires here, and that could be different in every part that you're making this very beautiful ring. Hope you liked this video and thank you for watching. And if you want to have the tutorial of this ring, please comment it below. I would be so happy to know your opinions. So don't hesitate to share your ideas with me. Thank you so much. Love you very much. Take care and bye-bye.